We are going to test the finished products. This is our job testing machine. Once I press this button, it will fall right away, and it will be tested from different angles, 6 sides. And I'm going to also share you with the information that all of our electronic products has positive electrode and negative electrode to prevent short circuits from happening. All of our products got layer protection. This is the USB cables, and I'm going to test it. Right now it shows normal working, and once I insert these cables, it will stop to work right away, and it will start to work once I plug out. And here is our temperature chamber controller. We will put our products inside for 12 to 24 hours, according to the requirement from our customers. And the temperature will be minus 15 degrees to 15 degrees. And here are our agent test machine for the battery of the power banks to test the output voltage and input voltage. And I'm going to do the front test of our power banks. It's with fireproof ABS and PC material. It will be extinguished in 10 seconds.